it's Anissa. Today we have for you this gorgeous new lights. They're the solar wicker lights with flickering flame. You're getting all 6 of these for a really low price. These mesmerizing lights feature a realistic flame and they're safe. There's no fire, no fuel, no heat, and no hassle. The wicker design is so unique and gives your home that high-end look without the high-end price. It charges all day and automatically turns on in the evening and stays on through the night. Now what's also nice is it's easy to place anywhere. You don't need any plugs or an electrician. Plus, it's the easiest installation ever. The hardest part is finding the stake. It's right here at the bottom. Pull it out, reverse it, plug it in, then simply slide it to on. You're just gonna stake it, set it, and let the sun do the rest. When you put them out in your front yard, you're gonna be the envy of the neighborhoods. Now, unlike other torch lights, these are beautiful in the day or night. That's because the wicker design. You can put them all over and they're simply gorgeous. Now we have an amazing deal. Compared to any others online, there's not many of them, but I found just one of these can sell for $59. You're getting all 6 of these for less than that price. So make sure you head on over to Pulse TV and grab a set or 2.